Basically going to go down this waterfall on a rope. Yeah.
And now we're heading for Pokhara Canyoning.
Canyoning!
Yes!
So fun! Why are you doing things? Why are you gonna drink? Oh my god! This is amazing! We decided to leave everything behind and start a journey to fulfill 100 dreams. We are a couple of dreams. We are now in a village called Ghalel. We teamed up with Pokhara Canyoning. And this waterfall here right behind us is the waterfall we are going to go down in. Snapping, rappelling,
abseiling. It has so many different names, but if you're not sure what any of those are, we're basically going to go down this waterfall on a rope. Yeah.
Those of you who are not clear where we are in Nepal, very close to Pokhara, and we are very close to the Annapurna mountain range, which means the water
is going to be freezing.
Funny thing is, when we wrote our list of dreams, one of the things that we wrote, both of us, be inside a waterfall.
We love water. Any opportunity we have to be in water, whether it's a pool, a lake, a river, and a waterfall is like the king of water.
And we've been around the world to so many waterfalls, it's always been an amazing moment. But only now we can actually say we've been in a waterfall. It's gonna be fun. Thank you so much, Pokhara Canyoning, for allowing us this opportunity. It looks unbelievable.
We're very excited. Very excited.
Wait.
This is actually what's happening. So since we got here, it just started to rain. And whilst we don't have a problem with the rain, and we can canyon in the rain, and it sounds like fun to canyon in the rain, we're staying the night here and there's meant to be sun in the morning.
They gave us the opportunity to do it tomorrow morning.
So we thought, okay, let's do that. So we're gonna just hang out for the rest of the day.
Yeah, and in the meantime, we'll show you where we're staying.
Check this place out, it's so cool. Private waterfall at night more perfect. Marvelous.
We're staying in a place called Waterfall Retreat, and what a treat.
Today we want you to taste our Nepali wine too.
Nepali wine. Bad. We've had such an amazing day so far, and we cannot wait for tomorrow morning to hit that waterfall. But for now, it's bedtime, and we'll see you in the morning.
Good morning, it's 6:20 a.m. We are up, at least I am actually still in bed. And here's the waterfall. First thing I hear and see in the morning. This is what I call a good way to open the day.
Good morning.
Good morning. Are you ready for canyoning?
I am ready for canyoning.
I am ready for canyoning.
Are you ready for canyoning?
I think so.
Wow, it is the start of the day and we are surrounded by beauty and we are ready to go down the waterfall.
Oh yeah. Canyoning, here we come.
Hi.
And they're setting up the rope for us.
What does that mean?
That means we're actually doing it. Wetsuit. Pink is your color, definitely. You look good. You look like a superhero. look like Bob the Builder. Oh my god! I'm terrified right now.
We'll do some training here. Everything is all about fiction, okay? All excited?
Yes!
Woo! Oh, who was excited?
Are you ready?
I'm ready!
Is she ready?
Woo!
Yeah! Goodbye!
Okay, are you excited? Yeah, okay.
Excited! I'm ready! Let's go!
Follow him.
Everyone is pumped for you. That's it, we're walking on our way to the waterfall.
Let's go! Up the steps.
No one said anything about 500 steps.
She's always normally the scaredy one when we do these things, but actually when she actually does them, she's very brave. And I pretend to be brave and actually quite scared. There's a skull from the last person that did this.
You're not scared of heights?
I am.
Great!
Okay, I am at the top of the waterfall.
That's it. Time to be brave. Honestly, terrified. Terrified.
I'm going down here.
Why do I do these things? Why is it a dream? My knees are shaking, literally shaking.
Okay, slowly. Ah.
My turn. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo.
Slowly, slowly.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm on the side of the mountain. One of the scariest things I've done so far. I need to go down there. I'm trying not to look down.
I'm in the middle of the waterfall. I'm terrified. Woo! This is unbelievable. I am in a waterfall. Inside. Look there. Here's me.
Not even halfway down yet, but it's unbelievable. Look at this. Wow.
Oh my god. I'm currently in the waterfall. Woo!
And I couldn't feel more alive. Unbelievable.
Okay, guys, I'm literally flying.
I am hanging in the air from a rope. Look at my feet.
Here is me. Woo! I'm inside the waterfall.
That was one of the most insane experiences of my life.
This is an unbelievable dream.
Everyone has to do this. Everyone. It is one of the most unbelievable experiences I've ever had in my life.
If you ever come to Nepal, to Pokhara, Canyoning Pokhara is a must. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
I'm currently hanging upside down from a waterfall. Oh my god! This is the point when they drop me.
Oh my god! This is a... Oh my god! Yes!
Unbelievable!
Wow! Literally one of the best things I've ever done in my life.
Doubt and doubt. Unbelievable.
One of the best things I've ever done in my life. Unreal. Unreal. I've never experienced anything like this. There's so much to it. The water, the flying, controlling it with your legs, with your hands, seeing everything from above, being terrified and controlling it. It's literally one of the best things I've ever done in my life. Wow.
Wow. Wow. It is way better than you could even imagine. No film, no photograph can explain how good this experience was.
So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a like and click the subscribe button.
Please support us, and hopefully together we can do more crazy stuff like
We'll
this.
create a community of dreamers that follow their dreams and do what they love. Until next time, thank you so much for being with us. We were a couple of dreams. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Because if local life is what we're looking for, local wedding is the best.
You done, yeah?
Me dancing?
Yeah, someone.
With you?
Yeah, okay.
Like, there's something unbelievable about this. We just stumbled across this random event. We had no idea what we were doing, where we were going. We've got our friends behind us.
We danced on the stage. Everything here is colorful. You need to understand that this day, normally we choose a dream and we fulfill. This whole day is like moment after moment after moment of dreams that we are like, we didn't even expect. We're in a village surrounded by mountains with waterfalls coming from the mountain. Everything is green, massive piles of rice and food. Everyone is dancing, and it's hard to explain how good we feel right now.
One of the things that just constantly keeps like blowing our mind is not only is everything just beautiful and exciting, the people are so friendly. Nepalese people, are the best.
We want to stay here. Like, we came to Nepal for a few days and we decided to stay for a few months.
Yeah.
And the reason is the people.
Yeah.
These guys.
Right? Yeah? High five.
Nice. Yeah.
That's it.